Okay, today's lesson is long division. So long division is a technique for dividing by number with the 2 or more digits that is a number greater than 10. So let's have a look at the example. So it says here, example 1, evaluate 312 divided by 12. Now, word evaluate means solve and calculate. Calculate doesn't mean use a calculator. You just have to solve the question. Okay, so we're going to write it in a long division form, which is 312 divided by 12. So the first number goes to inside, and then the second number goes to outside. Okay, well, let's have a look. So first thing you need to think about is 12 can go into 3? No. So I need 2 numbers here. So 12 can go into 31, definitely. But how many times? So you could actually think about this. I've got 12, 12. I've got 24 when I add it together. Now 24. Will I be able to get 3? 12, 12, 12. That's 36. Well, that's over. 36 is over. So it's bigger. So it won't go into 3 times. It will go into twice. So I'm just going to write 2 here above 1. Okay. So 12 times 2, double of 12 is 24. 24. And I need to take this away. 24, take it away from 31. So when I do that, I will get 7. Now, 12 can't go into 7. 7 too small. So what we need is another number from another number at the place value there. So this becomes 72 now. So it's a much bigger than 12. So 12 can go into 72 definitely. But how many times can it go into? So well, let's have a look. So 3 times was 36. It's definitely more than that. So what if I go 12, 12, 12, 36, and then if I add this together, I add this one and this one. So it'll be 6 times, and then I'll go 36 plus 36. What would be 36 plus 36? 72. Perfect. So that's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So I'm going to put 6 here, and 12 times 6 is 72. 72. And if I take that away, I'll get 0. So this means the remainder, there's no remainder. It goes into, 12 goes into 312, 26 times perfectly. So my answer to this will be equals 26. Okay, that's what it was. Now, second question is a little bit different to the first one, what we've done. Evaluate 296 divided by 21 and then complete this number sentence. 296 equals something times something and plus something. So let's start, because the first instruction we were given was to evaluate that first. So I'm going to use that long division technique and I'm going to solve this one. So let's solve this. Now, let's have a look at 21 and 2. Well, 21 can't go into 2, so I'm going to have to look at 29 now. 21. Of course, it's going to go to ones, isn't it? So I'm going to go 21 and take it away. It'll be 86. Well, I've just said it 86, but the 29 take away 21 is 8. But 21 can't go into 8. So I need to move this number down, and this 8 becomes 86 now, And of course 21 can go into 86, but how many times? So I'm going to add this to, I'm going to do 4 because then I know it's going to be 80 something. So when I add it all together, it'll be 84. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I'm going to put 4. So 21 times 4 is 84. So I'm going to write 84 here, and I'm going to take that away. And what's 86 take away 84? I'll get 2. That's my remainder. In a primary, you'll probably put a little r and 2 there, but we don't do that in high school. So what I'm going to do now, what if this really means? It means 21 times 14 and gives remainder of 2. Okay, so to get 296, I'll go 21 times 14 and plus 2. If I add the remainder, whatever the leftover, into this product, 21 times 14, I will get the original 296. Okay, so if you have a calculator, you can check or you can manually check. Okay, so let's have a look at a third example. So third one, let's bring it down a bit. Yes, it's very similar to what we just did. So let's have a look at that. So evaluate 999 divided by 26 and then complete that number sentence. So we're going to do that right now. Again, well, let's have a look at 26 and 9. Well, 26 can't go into 9, so I'm going to move this one. So 99, yes, definitely 26 can go into 99, but how many times? So I'm going to put it on the side, 26, 26. So what's that? 26, 26. I'm going to do it 3 times because I think it can fit into that. So 3, 6 is 8, 18, so 1 up, so it'd be 78. Yep. If I add one more time, like a 26 here, I will go over 90. It'll be 100 something, so I'm not going to bother to do that. So I'm going to do 3 on here, and I will get 78. And I'm going to take that away. So 99 take away 78, I'm going to have 21. Okay, 21. But 26 can't go into 21. 21 too small. But then we can bring the last number down, and this becomes 219. So 26 definitely can go into 219, but how many times? So let's have a look at this. Now we did adding 3 26s. What about if I add 4 of them? So 78 plus 26, I'll get 104. Okay, and what about if I had another 104? I will get 208, and definitely going there. Let's see if I can add one more. Will I get bigger than 290 or less than? If it's less than, we can still use it, but it's bigger, we can't. So let's see, this one will be 8 plus 6 will be 4. It's a 34 already. And also you can see it, 208 plus 26 is definitely going to be bigger than 219. So that's not a good idea. So we stick with 204, 204. So that was what? That was a 4 of the 26, 4 of 26. So I'm going to go with 8. Okay, and I'll get 204. Take it away. Oh, hang on a minute. I've done something wrong. You didn't see it? 104 plus 104 is 208, not 204. Yep, I've got that. Excellent. So make sure you check your calculation before you actually put it in. Otherwise, you get it wrong and you have to do it all over again. So when you do 219, take away 208, you will get 11. Now, 26 can't go into 11 because 11 is too small. So that will be our remainder. So now we've solved the question. We need to put it into this form. Okay, it means 26 times 38 plus 11 will equal to 999. So I'm going to do that. 26 times 38 plus 11 will give me 999. So remember to think about how many numbers in front can go into inside number, and then sometimes you will have remainder, sometimes you don't. If you have the remainder, you add it on. I mean, you can, if there's no remainder, you're just adding on nothing, 0, so it'll be the same.